Journal Finder is the third tab on the library's homepage. You can type the name of a magazine, newspaper, or academic journal to see whether the libraries provide access to that item, and, if so, where you can find it. Let's see what happens when I search. As you can see, searching for National Geographic returns several publications in that family. I'm only interested in the top one, so let's take a closer look. Journal Finder found 4 ways to get to National Geographic. The first thing you'll see is the information about the date range that is covered by each source, followed by a link to that source. Be sure to pay attention to the date range because it can vary and you'll need to choose an option that fits what you're looking for. In the case of electronic access, clicking the link will take me to the website where I can find it. If it's something we have in print, it will take me to the Consort catalog record, which lists a location and a call number where I can find what I need, just like with a book.